Oh, he's hit him in the head. First ball, what a beautiful bouncer. But that is, look at that. He's just ducked. And he got hit on the back of the head. He was very, very lucky. Anything lower, and it could have been serious. So very well directed bouncer. Very well directed bouncer. That's two exceptional deliveries from Hilfenhaus. People talk about Sehwag, Tendulkar, Dravid, but Gambhir over the last year and a half has matured so much, and that's going to be a quick one. Oh! Well, I think Dhoni is upset. He's very upset that Johnson didn't move out of the way. Let's just have a look at that.
It was off the back foot, so difficult to take off. Quick work from Ricky Ponting. The collision there. Oh, it would have been disastrous for India. A direct hit, he'd have been gone. And Dhoni wasn't happy. I have to say that Mitchell Johnson wasn't looking at the batsman, so he had no clue where the Indian captain was.
First four. He's hit that really hard. Dragged down by Horrocks, short, wide, and punished.
Yeah, great shot from Dhoni. He's now got 59 from 63, and that deserves to be belted off the back foot through covers for four. Just dragged down a bit early, but it's the bat speed from Dhoni and the bottom hand is. He's got it through. All the way for four. That's what they wanted. 251 for four.
And look at the frustration. No, it's such a good over and I've just ruined it.
No ball signal, and it gets the treatment. Hammered over mid-wicket by Dhoni for four. And what it does is there will be a free hit as well. Now, have a look at the crowd. The atmosphere here is electrifying. There's a buzz around the ground. Already 10 of this over. And because of that, a free hit now. It allows Dhoni to line himself up. Can he make it count?
Mitchell Johnson's job here is to execute the delivery. Where's he going? Full and straight? Let's find out.
Bang! Straight over the bowler's head. Consecutive boundaries for the Indian captain. And India get a serious move on in this final over a power play. Still 2 balls to go. In fact, 3. And 14 of this over.
Not the best place to place that ball from Mitchell Johnson there. Dhoni, what a contact. Strong hitter of the cricket ball. He's seen that. Everyone has seen that for a long period of time. He's a star.
That's well struck. The bottom hand coming into play. What a shot for 6. It went flat. And it went the distance.
Incredible. That bottom hand of MS Dhoni is absolutely incredible. Short back lift, amazing wrists. He manages to, with the strength of that bottom hand, just to lift it. Pick it up and put it right over.
And you can suddenly see the noise. The clapping starts. It's Dhoni on strike. The banners will be up. The 6s and the 4s. The flags waving. Here's Watson. That struck. Down the ground for 6. And what a way to bring up 100. A captain's innings here from Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and he's still not finished.
Class, all class. 300 as well. Brought up with that 6. And what a shot. MS Dhoni. Incredible. Shaking his hand. He's hit it that hard. It shocked his hand. What a fantastic shot. Unbelievable innings.
He goes again. He's got the height. Has he got the distance? Yes! Consecutive sixes. Have a look at the crowd. The noise here in Nagpur is deafening to the ear.
The flags are waving, and so are the sixes at the moment. Nathan Horrocks not quite able to get underneath this one, not able to rein it in. Certainly went high. Wonderful innings.
Smash back. Splits the two fielders in the deep. It was a good delivery, and again Dhoni, just his strength, his bat speed, getting this away to the boundary. It hit the deck, which was important because the ball gathered pace after that. It's a hard pitch.
India seem to be bringing the momentum from the last game. The runs that came of it.
Whipped away on the onside. Gets the boundary. Such a wristy player. Again, that bottom hand doing the work. Tempted Yorker, and Dhoni still manages to generate power, find the gap.
That hurts. That really hurts as a bowler. He bowled nearly the perfect delivery. And the batsman there, Dhoni, he squeezed it away on the leg side. And the man in the deep there is just a little too square. Oh, that hurts. It stings.
It just is such a good shot. That's in the air. This will not go the distance. It's Ponting coming underneath it, and he puts it down. It's always going to be difficult. Misjudged that. It would have been easier probably for the man running in from long off. But that went miles in the air.
Even look at Dhoni here, calling batsman through. He thinks he's out. The crowd thinks he's out. Ricky Ponting there